President, Ms. Vice President, distinguished guests and fellow delegates. The Committee on Human Rights, Civil Liberties, Justice and Home Affairs is alarmed by the low ranking of Ukraine in the Transparency International Index of Perception of Corruption 2014. Is also welcoming the newly adopted anti-corruption strategy of Ukraine from 2014 to 2017. Is observing the absence of transparent system of control over the income of high-level officials and embezzlement. Noting with regretting unity of high-level officials against criminal persecution. Is bearing in mind the lack of qualified employees working on the execution of the anti-corruption law package, and is also deeply concerned by insufficient funding of the public administration sector. Is also aware of the pressure the Ukrainian parliament puts on the newly created Anti-Corruption Bureau. Furthermore, is deeply conscious about the significant amount of bureaucratic procedures required to establish an enterprise. And finally, is guided by the fact that older politicians have significant influence on the younger counterparts. Thanks for your attention.